What if I told you that a new generation of fighter aircraft already exists so advanced, so destructive, and so inhuman that they could redefine warfare and put the entire planet at risk? It may sound exaggerated, but while the world is still thinking about classic fighters and human pilots, the major powers have crossed a dangerous line. Aircraft that do not fight alone, that do not need pilots, and that strike before being detected. We're talking about fighters that fly alongside swarms of killer drones, artificial intelligence capable of outperforming any human pilot, platforms invisible to radar, and hypersonic projects that cross continents in minutes, leaving no time to react. This is no longer about aerial maneuvers. This is about absolute dominance of the sky. Today, on TECHZNX, you're going to discover the most extreme, futuristic, and lethal next-generation fighters ever developed, machines designed not to win battles, but to decide who is allowed to exist in the air and who is not. So buckle up, because what you're about to see is not the future of aerial combat. It is the beginning of the end of war as we know it. Let's begin. Top 10. XQ-58A Valkyrie. Valkyrie was not created to shine in dogfights. It was created to die if necessary and win the war while doing it. This combat drone belongs to the loyal wingman concept. Unmanned platforms that fly alongside crewed fighters to multiply their power, range, and lethality. In practice, it turns a single aircraft into a coordinated swarm. What's unsettling about Valkyrie is not its size or speed, it's its role. It can move ahead of the formation to detect radars, provoke enemy defenses, launch missiles, deploy electronic warfare, or simply absorb anti-air fire that would otherwise hit a manned fighter. No pilot. No hesitation. In real combat, Valkyrie enables something brutal, taking risks without paying the human cost. If it's shot down, there are no rescues, no casualties to explain, only data collected and the next drone already on its way. Its stealthy design and relatively low cost also allow it to be deployed in numbers. And when air warfare becomes a matter of saturation, quantity itself becomes a form of destruction. Valkyrie does not win the war on its own, but it completely changes how war is fought. That's why it opens this ranking, because it marks the moment when the fighter stops being a single machine and becomes the core of a lethal hive. Top 9. XQ-58A. It was designed to see, mark, and sentence. This unmanned drone is one of the most important pieces of the new U.S. air combat concept. Its role is not to fire first, but to make it possible for others to fire with total advantage. It is the forward scout that goes where a manned fighter shouldn't. The XQ-58A flies ahead of the formation, penetrating heavily defended zones to detect radars, air defense systems, enemy fighters, and command nodes. Everything it sees is transmitted in real time to the rest of the system: fighters, drones, missiles, and command centers. And that's where its real power lies. The enemy believes it has not yet been detected, but it has already been located, classified, and assigned as a target. In modern warfare, whoever sees first doesn't just shoot first, they shoot better. The XQ-58A allows main fighters to stay far from danger, launching long-range weapons at targets already exposed. When the enemy tries to react, it does so from a losing position. Its modular design also allows sensors, electronic warfare systems, or mission payloads to be adapted depending on the mission. It's not a fixed drone. It's an evolving platform. That's why it's on this list, because it doesn't need to destroy anything directly. It only needs to remove the enemy's most valuable asset in air warfare. Top 8. Number 6. 65 Crane. Crane doesn't improve an existing fighter, it eliminates how aircraft have been flown for over a century. This real experimental demonstrator explores a radical idea: flying without ailerons, rudders, or external moving surfaces. Instead of moving physical parts, the X-65 controls the aircraft through airflow injection and active flow control, using internal jets to alter aerodynamics without changing its shape. The result? A much cleaner design, with fewer discontinuities, fewer radar reflections, and signatures nearly impossible for current detection systems to interpret. Where radar expects moving surfaces, there is nothing. But the real danger is not just stealth. Without relying on external mechanical parts, the X-65 opens the door to faster, more precise maneuvers and greater resistance to damage. No exposed actuators to fail, no surfaces that can be disabled by impact. Control becomes more reliable when combat is at its most intense. Strategically, this concept enables fighter designs that were previously impossible. Wings, fuselages, and profiles optimized purely for stealth and efficiency without compromises for traditional mechanisms. It is the kind of breakthrough that redefines how combat aircraft are designed from the ground up. Top 7. XQ-58A. It was not designed to assist a pilot, it was designed to fight for one. This combat drone is one of the collaborative combat aircraft officially selected by the U.S. Air Force, developed by Anduril Industries. Its purpose is clear: act as an autonomous combatant, not just support. Here lies the complete break from the past. The XQ-58A has no pilot, no fear, and no survival instinct. It can take on missions no human would accept, penetrate heavily defended zones, draw enemy fire, engage hostile fighters, or maintain constant pressure until the adversary is exhausted. While a human pilot must manage stress, fatigue, and physical limits, this drone operates at maximum performance at all times. It can execute extreme maneuvers, change roles instantly, and coordinate with other drones and the lead fighter. And that's what makes it truly dangerous. Because in modern air combat, victory is no longer about who has the best aircraft, but who has more nodes fighting at the same time. The XQ-58A turns a one-on-one engagement into a coordinated hunt. The enemy is no longer facing a fighter, but a network that shares data, flanks, deceives, and attacks from multiple angles simultaneously. Its cost-controlled design also makes it expendable, deployable in numbers, and upgradable via software. If one is lost, the system learns, and the next performs better. That's why it ranks 7th, because it marks the moment when air combat stops being human versus human and becomes algorithm versus algorithm. And in that war, decision speed is everything. Top 6. X-62A Vista. Vista is not a lab concept. It is a real aircraft flying today, controlled by artificial intelligence. This program marks a point of no return in air warfare. For the first time, AI is not just assisting the pilot, it is making combat decisions, executing complex maneuvers, and engaging in real-world scenarios. What's truly unsettling about the X-62A is not its airframe, but what happens inside it. AI analyzes thousands of variables in real time: speed, angle, energy, threats, sensors, enemy position, and makes decisions in milliseconds. In modern combat, that time is everything. While a human must perceive, interpret, and react, the AI has already executed the optimal maneuver. It does not tire, it does not panic, it does not make stress-induced errors. And it can fight over and over again, learning with every iteration. Here lies the strategic shift. The X-62A proves that the future of air combat does not require a cockpit. The pilot shifts from executor to supervisor, or becomes optional. And when that happens, everything changes. Because if an aircraft doesn't need a human, it can maneuver more aggressively, take greater risks, operate longer, and be produced and deployed in larger numbers. In other words, quantity, speed, and continuous learning. That's why it's here, because it is not just another aircraft. It is proof that future air superiority will not belong to the best pilots, but to the best algorithms. And when war is decided in milliseconds, humans start to become obsolete. Top 5. DARPA Longshot. It was conceived to kill without exposing itself. This project introduces an idea as simple as it is devastating. A drone launched from another aircraft that moves ahead of the fight and fires air-to-air missiles from impossible positions. The main fighter stays far away. The risk is taken by the machine. Here lies the complete break with classic air warfare. Until now, combat range depended on the radar and missiles of the aircraft itself. With Longshot, that range is multiplied. The drone separates, infiltrates, approaches the enemy, and launches missiles from an unexpected angle, while the fighter that launched it remains out of danger. For the adversary, the result is absolute confusion. Sensors detect a launch, but the aircraft that seems to be firing is not there. The enemy reacts late, maneuvers against a threat that no longer exists, and takes the hit from another direction. Longshot turns air combat into a three-dimensional ambush. Additionally, being unmanned, it can take extreme risks, entering saturated zones, drawing fire, forcing defensive maneuvers, or simply acting as a lethal decoy. If it is lost, the system learns. The next Longshot will do it better. In strategic terms, this changes a basic truth. It is no longer the most agile aircraft that wins. It is the one that fires first from farther away without being seen. Top 4. F/A-XX. It is a complete break from the carrier aviation we know. This 6th-generation program is designed to operate from aircraft carriers in an environment where missiles, drones, and electronic warfare saturate everything. Its mission is not just to take off and fight, it is to impose air, maritime, and electronic dominance at the same time. What makes the F/A-XX truly dangerous is its system-based approach, not an isolated aircraft. It is designed to operate in a network with carrier-based drones, distributed sensors, advanced electronic warfare, and long-range weapons. The pilot stops flying a fighter and starts directing an entire battle from the air. At sea, that changes everything. Enemy fleets are no longer facing a traditional air wing, but a moving bubble of detection, interference, and attack that pushes hundreds of kilometers ahead. Anti-ship missiles lose effectiveness. Enemy fighters are detected before takeoff. Radars go dark without explosions. Additionally, its design prioritizes range, a lot of range. In an increasingly contested Pacific, the F/A-XX allows carriers to strike first without getting close, staying outside the most dangerous zones. And there is a key detail. It is designed from the beginning to evolve through software. New sensors, new weapons, new tactics, without redesigning the aircraft. That makes it a platform that does not age, it just updates. Top 3. F-47. It is not just another fighter, it is the brain of U.S. air power in the 21st century. This aircraft is the central piece of the NGAD program of the United States Air Force. Designed from scratch for a war where decision speed matters more than maneuvering, and where survival means never being detected. Unlike previous generations, the F-47 does not fight alone. It acts as an aerial commander, directing swarms of drones, distributed sensors, and attack platforms operating around it. The pilot stops being a direct combatant and becomes the manager of an entire battle in real time. Its design prioritizes 3 things above everything else: extreme stealth, massive range, and total sensor fusion. That means the F-47 can detect threats long before being seen, decide how to neutralize them, and execute the attack without the enemy even understanding that it has already lost the initiative. But there is something even more unsettling. The F-47 is conceived to constantly evolve. Open architecture, full integration with artificial intelligence, and the ability to incorporate weapons that do not yet publicly exist. It is not a closed aircraft, it is a living platform. In a real scenario, the F-47 does not seek close combat. It seeks to eliminate the enemy from outside the board, cutting communications, blinding sensors, and destroying key assets before they even take off. That is why it ranks 3rd. Because it does not just win air engagements. It decides who is allowed to participate in the war and who is left out. From the very first minute. Top 2. NGAD family. Now, we are no longer talking about an aircraft. We are talking about an entire family of air warfare, designed to crush any enemy force before it even realizes it is under attack. The NGAD family is a system of systems, a 6th-generation manned fighter, surrounded by autonomous combat drones, distributed sensors, advanced electronic warfare, and direct links with satellites and space-based platforms. The pilot is no longer a simple aviator. He is an aerial commander, controlling multiple platforms at the same time. While the main aircraft remains hidden, the drones advance, detect, attack, saturate defenses, and die if necessary. The system is designed to lose machines, not humans. That changes the entire equation of war. Each drone can fulfill a different role. Some hunt radars, others fire missiles, others jam communications, others simply deceive the enemy. The result is a chaotic, saturated, and lethal sky, where the adversary does not know what is real, what is a decoy, and where the real attack is coming from. The most unsettling part is the integration with artificial intelligence. The NGAD family can analyze the battlefield in real time, prioritize targets, and propose attacks to the pilot at a speed impossible for a human. In certain scenarios, it can even act autonomously during critical seconds. And there is more. This system is designed to operate alongside space. Satellites, orbital sensors, and attack platforms are part of the same ecosystem. Air warfare stops being two-dimensional and becomes fully three-dimensional. That is why it ranks second, because it is no longer a weapon. It is an aerial death network, designed to dominate entire skies, erase defenses, and decide the outcome of a war before the first visible shot. Top 1. SR-72. It is not designed to fight. It is designed to appear, destroy, and disappear before anyone understands what has happened. This hypersonic project is the direct successor of the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, but taken to a completely different level. We are not talking about Mach 2 or Mach 3. We are talking about speeds above Mach 6, where air turns into plasma and any known defense stops working. At that speed, time stops existing for the enemy. An SR-72 could take off, cross an entire continent, strike a strategic target, and exit enemy airspace before radars even confirm something has entered. There is no possible interception, no pursuit, no response. What is most unsettling is its role. The SR-72 would not only be reconnaissance, it would be instant global strike, capable of launching hypersonic weapons, penetrating air defenses, destroying command centers, missile silos, or critical bases in minutes without aircraft carriers, without ballistic missiles, and without warning. In practice, it turns the planet into a shooting range. But there is something even more dangerous: its psychological effect. If a country knows it can be attacked from anywhere on the planet in less than an hour, deterrence changes forever. There is no escalation, there is no warning, there is no time to negotiate. Only impact. That is why the SR-72 ranks number 1, because it does not redefine air combat, it eliminates it. When a machine can move so fast that war ends before it even begins, we are no longer talking about air superiority. We are talking about absolute control of time. And there you have it. 10 next-generation fighters so advanced, so extreme, and so lethal that they are no longer competing to dominate the sky. They are competing to decide who is allowed to use it. From drones flying alongside human pilots to systems controlled by artificial intelligence and hypersonic platforms that strike before being detected, what you've just seen is not science fiction. It is the real new air power of the planet. Now the question is inevitable. Do you think these machines will make the world safer? Or are they simply bringing us closer to the moment when a war is decided in seconds? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to keep discovering the most extreme military secrets, subscribe, leave a like, and activate the bell. Because on TECHZNX, the future of war is already taking off.